Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to know the question answer of how to learn testing. Yes, many of the persons in the IT industry who are not taking a decision of not entering into the coding, yes, they'll see in the testing, they might feel it's easy. Yes, really it is easy. And I would like to ask these suggestions how to learn testing and what the steps we need to take in care to strong our job career in testing. We would like to know from ChatGPT. So let's initiate ChatGPT and I'll ask a question. How to learn testing. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So just I'm going to asking ChatGPT. Before initiating, if you are watching first time this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe and support. Let's begin the session. So see here, few steps like our ChatGPT is giving us. Let's see. The challenges rewarding the experience. Familiarize yourself with the software testing fundamentals. What are the fundamentals? Different types of testing modes and unit testing, integration testing, functional testing, etc. So understanding the a software development life cycle, also called as SDLC phases, which the role of testing in each phase, where to apply and how to approach a life cycle. So once you know the SDLC life cycle, you will be aware of it. When to be test, how to test, and what the main role of tester. Yes, you will be known on these all the roles. Now the next one, choose a programming language and testing framework. Yes, you will need to learn at least one programming language and a testing framework that works with your language. Popular choice is including Java and JUnit, Python and PyTest, Ruby and RSPEC. So having and learning these technologies, the combination, if you are choosing Python, if you are learning Python means if you want to go into the set your career in testing, PyTest you need to learn as a framework. The same way which you are going to making your convenient way and comfortability, and which you are more interested in programming language, that way you need to go. The next one, practice writing test cases. Yes, this is very important, and you need to think about it like how the real world test case scenarios would be there. Then you will be easily understand about the client requirements. So write test cases for simple programs to feel how testing works. Try to write test cases that covers various scenarios including positive and negative test cases. Read and understand code. Read the code other testers to see how they write test cases and how there are different techniques while testing the test they are using. Learn how to debug the test. So debugging tests can be difficult, so it's an important how to diagnose the problem first thing, then fix them quickly. If you know how to identify what the chances are there to raise a bug or raise a problem, then you will have an idea how to quickly fix it, and you will guide the developers also. Now next, get involved in open source projects at first. So participating open source, how it is possible? Yes, joining any free open source like forums or experienced persons who are interacting. Contribute your way in software development communities. Stay up to date. What the testing practice is important. Similarly, testing continuously evolving the fields is important. Keep to update the latest technologies and techniques and tools by reading the articles, attending the conferences, participating online communities. These all will be stay you update. Remember, The most important aspect of learning is testing is practice. How the coding is required to practice more, the same way for testing also you need to prepare a test cases and scenarios and solving the real-time challenges. If you feel this video lecture is helpful for you, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.